Nature's Garden Christmas Tree Fragrance Oil. This fragrance will have you feeling ready to start decorating for the Christmas season. Why not decorate your home with the scent of fresh Christmas tree? This fragrance begins with top notes of pine and fresh lime, with middle notes of cardamom and pepper, with a base note of Scotch pine. A Nature's Garden original fragrance. And it's a bestseller. Our customers create wonderful products with this fragrance oil, including brilliant decorative candles and sensational room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.